Hi guys, so welcome to Abijo GRA. Now one thing I like about this estate is that it's a smart apartment. That's number one. Number two, it's an estate within an estate, so you already have neighbors all around you. We have playgrounds for kids, and guess what? For as low as 29.5 million naira, you too can be a proud owner of an apartment within this estate. Now don't wait for long, because as time goes on, the price of this property is going to increase. This estate is about 10 to 15 minutes from Aja, and it shares neighborhood with the likes of Shoprite, Novare Mall, Lagos Business School, Terrace Motors, Caleb International Schools, and a whole lot of other places. And this is one of the most affordable smart homes in Lagos.